Today, we have got something truly exciting for you. If you are passionate about writing and want to turn your words into cash, you are in for a treat. In this video, we are spilling the beans on not just one, but two incredible websites that are ready to pay you $200 for each article you write. Yes, you heard that right, so let's dive in. First up, we have Income Diary. Now, if you are into blogging, business, or making money online, this is your golden ticket. They pay a whopping $200 for quality articles. It's a platform trusted by entrepreneurs and freelancers alike. But wait, there's more. Income Diary loves actionable advice and real life experiences. So if you have got insights to share or success stories to inspire, this is the platform where your words can make a real impact. And let's not forget about the fantastic paycheck. Next on our list is FreshBooks blog. If you are passionate about finance, accounting, or helping businesses thrive, this is your spot. FreshBooks blog pays $200 and up for articles that resonate with their audience of entrepreneurs and professionals. Think about it, your expertise could help business owners manage their finance better, make informed decisions, and achieve success. And you will be generously rewarded for your valuable contributions. So these are the two remarkable websites that are ready to pay you top dollar for your writing prowess. Whether you are an expert in finance, tech, business, or just passionate about sharing your experiences, these platforms have a place for you. So start writing, start earning, and most importantly, start making an impact with your words. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting opportunities and tips. See you in the next video.